Leandro, what are we gonna do today?
I don't know. A challenge.
Do you know what challenge?
No.
No idea.
No.
I have no idea.
Perfect, that's what I like to hear. 6 producers, 6 challenges, all competing for a mystery prize they know nothing about. Oscar is the first one up and his challenge is depending on my physical health. I'll be running up and down 572 stairs. By the time I come down, he has to stop producing, render the file and send it to me, starting now.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Let's take a listen to Leandro in the meanwhile. Leandro is presented with a deck of cards. The first card he picks will determine the quantity of notes he's allowed to use. Second one will decide how many samples he's allowed to use. Third one will determine the quantity of plugins he's allowed to use. So we take the first card.
Let's go. 3.
10. In the meanwhile, let's take a listen to Admin Explode.
Nice.
Admin Explode is presented with 2 dices. The dices will determine what kind of plugin he's gonna use while he's producing. It will also determine the quantity of plugins.
Okay, so this is what a drum loop sounds like with these plugins. Let's check in on the next one.
Hurra, tett met meine favorite Nederlander!
Oh! Today you're gonna do push-ups. And for each push-up you do, you get 30 seconds of producing.
Okay.
Okay, I'm at the top now.
What?
Time to go down.
No way, what?
No, I'm joking.
Oh my god.
Next one. Next one is BVLK. We're gonna start off with like a Q&A. I asked everyone on my Instagram. Yeah, nah, that's bullshit. You're about to find out why. If you could only use 4 plugins for the rest of your life, what plugins would you use?
OTT, obviously. I think Duck Buddy. Serum, of course. And my specially made chop rack.
Okay, fire. Then that's the only plugins you're allowed to use today.
What? Oh. Oh, man. Why is my hand shaking already?
Let me introduce you all to the 4 tracks only challenge. In this challenge, Etika is limited to only using 4 tracks. That means if he wants to use more than 4 instruments, he'll have to stack them.
Bro, my hand is fucking shaking.
34. Come on, come on! Get the f*** up!
Fuck. Magnus, what did you do?
There is currently 13 minutes left.
13. Oh,
Yeah.
13 minutes left.
Yeah.
13.
I'm joking.
Oh man, you're funny. Wow.
Bad news. I'm at the top.
What? No way.
I can't speak or do anything, so I need to hydrate. So you get extra time.
Yes, let's go, let's go. Okay, I gotta go back to working.
We just reached 3k subs on YouTube. Incredible. And I can't thank you guys enough. To celebrate, I added a new free pack on the website, a drum and bass sample pack. And also a 30% discount on any sample pack on my website. Back to the video.
It sounds not clean without EQ. Since there's no delays, I'm just gonna make my own delay by just doing this. Nah, this is not gonna work. Back in the old days, we don't use delays.
What? How's everything going?
Perfect, of course. What are you eating? Damn.
Do you want to hear a fun story?
No.
Before I go down, this might be a good time to tell you that there might be a really cool prize to this challenge. Yes, there will be a really cool prize to this challenge. And the prize, together with the winner, will be showcased in the next video of this 2-part series. Make sure to watch that as well.
For real?
I don't know, maybe. I'm going down.
Different pitch, maybe.
Okay, that's it.
What?
Nah, I'm joking.
Bro, stop, bro.
So let me remember 6 samples. I have only 2 notes. I have
500,
plenty.
600, 555, 72, 89.
Shut up.
175.
It's really close to a Retrovision track, but I don't care.
Okay, every 20 minutes you can take out one effect from the master chain. So now you can
Okay.
basically take out one effect.
I think I'll get rid of the reverb.
I should probably tell you also, there might be like a cool prize to the challenge.
Ooh.
How long until you are down?
Could be 1 minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes,
Oh shit, okay.
7 minutes.
I don't know what to do for me part.
Oh yeah. That's fire, Leandro.
What key? F sharp major.
Oh, by the way, there's 18 minutes left. You can remove one.
I'm just gonna remove the reverb. Oh, I can hear stuff now.
I would probably start thinking about mastering.
No!
3, 2. I'm on the second step right now.
Is that... No, don't step.
I'm just gonna do some unnecessary sound design now.
How much time do I have left?
6, 5.
This must be the best song of the challenge. Oh my god. Okay.
That is vibey.
Classic shaped. Easy. Good.
Good.
Very good.
Oh my god, those bases are clean.
Bro, insane.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I'm done. I'll do push-ups.
1.
I will probably not be proud of this.
Time's up.
It's so clean. Bro, you're too good.
Oh. Okay. It's fine. I'm not done, but
I'm sorry, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you, I hate what I'm about to do. I won't be showing you the winner in this video. Instead, I want to do something bigger. I have created something that haven't been created before. And some people might see it as a piece of plastic, but what it really is, it's a trophy. A medal of honor.